We're out here at a customer's house today where he bought a kit from Home Depot to do his own dryer vents. And we see this a lot. You know, my grandpa always said any job's easy with the right tools, right? But the tools we use cost thousands of dollars. You're not gonna buy that at Home Depot to come do your dryer vent. And so doing it on your own, it's not rocket science, it's a pipe, right? But you can end up here where we're having to find out where the broken tool is now in the ductwork. They put together these pipes in two ways. They're 5-foot sections. They come together like you would put a straw together when you're a kid at McDonald's, squeezing the end and sliding them in. There's two ways they put them together. They either tape the outside. Over time, the tape gets brittle and can come apart, or they use screws. So if they use screws, your pipe's never gonna come apart, but it'll also catch lint as it's going out, so you'll need it cleaned more often. But you'll never have to cut your walls. The inside out, and because the tool is flat, and we're hoping to actually push it back out this way, I would imagine. From the inside.
Originally, and then it got stuck going from the outside.
But it broke off coming from here inwards,
yep,
right?
just how you're doing it.
Okay, so I'm not seeing the end of his casing. His tool. Here.
Recording? Yep. That's it. Keep it on. 10 seconds.
Did I hear the go? Oh, look at them. They're the man.